there! So today we're going to be learning about the quadratic formula. So first I want to show you that the quadratic formula and what the equation are. So this is the quadratic formula where the arrow is drawn, which is what you're going to use to solve the equation that is given, which is 6x squared minus 17x plus 12. So you're first going to want to substitute your values. And you want to do it in order. So 6x squared is first, and A is the first letter in the alphabet. So 6 is going to be the value of A. And then negative 17 is the second one, and B is the second letter in the alphabet. And so then B is going to be the value of negative 17. And then the last one, which is 12, is C, because C is the last letter left, and it's also the third letter. And so the values are going to be A is 6, B is negative 17, and C is 12. So let's get solving. Okay, so first we're going to want to substitute all our values that we have gotten. So we are going to write them down. X is equal to negative parentheses negative 17 plus or minus the square root of negative 17 squared minus 4 times 6 times 12 over 2 times 6. Okay, and now we're gonna start solving our equation. So first we know that a negative and a negative make a positive, so we're gonna have positive 17 plus or minus the square root of negative 17 times negative 17. And negative 17 times negative 17 is, well, we'll see here soon. So 17 times 70 is, 7 times 7 is 49, and then that will be 11. And then we're going to have 7 and 1, and we're going to get 289. Minus 4 times 6, which, as I hope everyone knows, if you're learning quadratic formula, is 24. And then multiply that by 12. And this one might take a little longer. 8, 4, and then 4 and 2, and then we got 8, 8, 2, so 288. So 289 minus 288 over 2 times 6, which is 12. And remember, it's not just plus, it's plus, it's 17 plus or minus. Don't forget about that. Yes. So yes, as I highlighted, you have to minus the 2 first. And you're going to do 17 plus or minus the square root of 1 over 12. Now this is where you're going to have to separate your equation into two equations. 17 plus 1 over 12 and 17 minus 12 over 1. Oh yeah, and square root of 1 is 1. I'm so sorry. Okay. So you're going to have 17 plus 1 over 12 and 17 minus 1 over 12. 17 plus 1 is going to be 18 over 12. And then you can simplify that or you can do 17 minus 1 over 12 is 16 over 12, and you can simplify both of them. So if you do 18 over 12 divided by 3, you're going to get 6 over 4. And then you're going to get, for the other one, if you also divide that by 4, you're going to get 4 over 3. And yes, when you do them, it's 6 over 4 is still not fully reduced, so it's going to reduce to 3 over 2. So the answer is going to be 3 over 2 or 4 over 3. So that's our solution, and this is all the work to solve the quadratic formula equation. And now I went to check my work on a math website, and as you can see, it's the same answers. And I used the quadratic formula. So yeah, and thank you for watching, and I hopefully you learned something from this, and subscribe, and if you want more types of video like this, let me know. Bye.